But Vincent, if I were to talk about a leadership shift, and I don't know if it's going to happen because what it seems to be the case right now is that it's a very broad-based move that you're seeing in US equities. But if there were to be a leadership shift, would it come at the cost of large cap underperformance or at least ease off? Maybe underperformance is a very strong word that I'm using. And then do US small caps catch up? Or do you think it'll continue to be how it is right now, more of the same, wherein you will have that broad-based move and small caps and large caps will all do good?
If there's a leadership shift, yeah, then certainly you're going to see the dynamic of relative performance change. And certainly that could come to the benefit of small cap versus large. And it doesn't have to be in an up market. It could happen in a down market. We saw that in the dot-com era where when the correction happened in large caps, small caps actually outperformed in a recessionary environment, which is highly unusual. That could happen again. But even more probable, in my view, is you continue to have move upward, but you have significant earnings growth in the smaller companies and a potential catch-up trade and even some outperformance in the short term. But it's hard to make that call in terms of the timing or, if the fundamentals continue to be strong on the large cap side, it's going to be tough to outpace those names. So it's hard to make that call with lots of conviction. And so I think having those two complementary pieces is a good approach.
So you don't see the tech sector and the Fab 7 in particular ease off anytime soon, do you?
Not necessarily. It's hard to say with a lot of conviction, just because the fundamentals are so strong. And really the arguments against that trade continuing is it's getting a little bit rich, it's getting a little overextended, but the fundamentals that is driving that shift, those have not deteriorated whatsoever. The CapEx is not slowing. The CapEx intentions moving forward continue to be better than expectations every single quarter. So there's a lot of reasons it could continue, especially in the short term. What happens 2 to 3 years from now, I think that's more of a question mark than maybe the next 6 months.